Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add or remove an email address on your Facebook account. First, we will check if Facebook is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Facebook. If there is an update button, click it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open Facebook. When you have opened Facebook in the bottom menu, we will click on the menu option located in the bottom right corner. In the new window, we will select the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Here, a large number of options will open for us, from which we need profile details. Here we can see all the details related to our profile. We will find the contact info section and click on the edit option located in the upper right corner of the section. The next option we choose from the new menu is Manage Contact Info. In the new window, we will see our current email addresses as well as two buttons for adding a phone number and email address. We will process the addition of a new email address. In the window, we will simply enter our new address and click the Add Email button. That's all for this video. Leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you. See you in the next video.